What's good, people? Them, it's your boy Digz. You get me? And your girl Keebs. There. What's this? Work mode?
Yep. They can't even see me. That's all I see. All I see is my legs.
Oh, okay. What's this? Work mode?
Work mode, man. Work mode.
Bet flipping. So I went. You know how I got myself a. Actually, before we get into this video, make sure you go like, share, subscribe, all that good jazz. Why? Because I'm gonna tell you say so. Anywho's, yeah. As I was about to say. As you already know, I got myself a PC a couple months ago. They had no graphics card in it. It said it was game, we call it? Game already, basically. That's not the right word, but it's basically saying it's ready to be like a gamer, used as a gaming PC. They lied. It was, you could then go me wrong, I played games on it, but then when it comes to the games that take a lot of power and that, it was moving a bit mad. So my boy, he ended up upgrading his PC, gave me his old graphics card. So I put that graphics card into the PC and it was much better. I bought myself some RAM and I bought myself some another SSD hard drive, to a 2 terabyte SSD hard drive, to, you know, extra storage. But I just bought myself a new graphics card. Before, the one that I got off my boy was it's about 7, 8 years old, but it was still a good graphics card for any PC. Like I said, it made a big difference to my one. So right now I got myself a 12 gigabyte. You know what, let me just show you. Let me open it. This is it right here. I got myself a 12 gigabyte memory card. We call this? Hold on, guys. Hold on. I'm gonna spread your legs. I was gonna say something mad.
Exactly,
I was gonna say I'm only talking to the man them, but whoa, pause. I'm only talking to the girl them. And I'm talking about the tripod, yeah, in my hand. So allow it, the manfrotto, whatever you want to call it. But anyways, camera's all flashing and that. Whew.
Trouble you a trouble?
Trouble me a trouble. But boom, is it? This is what I got myself. Thumbnail. Anyways, flipping. So I'm about to install this. You guys, you can come along and see what I got to do and all of that. Peace. Alright, boom. I don't know how well you guys can see me, yeah, and the battery's about to die. So, but I'm gonna open up. Oh man, cookies firm, man. Trisha was sweeping up earlier, but yeah. Damn. Got all over the computer already. Right now I'm taking off the side casing, guys. Taking off all of these little, you can't even see it, but all these little bolts or screws. Turn off the back so there's no power going into the thing. Alright, you heard it. Pop off the glass. And then take out the HDMI. Basically, oh, where's my phone? Oh, where's my phone? Basically, it's this that we are upgrading. Yeah, that's the graphics card. So yeah, let me take it out and I'll show you, innit? So boom, here's the old one. It's actually still in good condition and everything. What you want? What you want? Huh? Nah, don't come eggs up to me. I didn't call you. But anyway, yeah, that's the old one. And when I unbox the new one, I'll show you that. Guys. What tune is that?
Footsteps.
Oh.
Come back.
What a wise thing she said to her son. His life was taken. She never said he wouldn't come back. He died from fooling up a gun. It looks very similar to the one I just showed y'all. Look, told y'all niggas. I told y'all, niggas.
Told y'all, niggas.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it does look the same.
It's definitely heavier though. So it's got better mechanicisms in there, I guess. Yeah, same thing, man. You know what I'm talking about, man. Mechanicisms. What am I meant to say then?
Mechanism.
Mechanicism, man.
Yeah.
I'm a Jamaican, you know.
Okay. What's that mean?
Madman language.
You're an idiot. You're an idiot.
I'm gonna eat it twice, yeah?
Yeah. I had to stress it. I thought about it. I was like, no, man, you're an idiot. Yeah, you're an idiot.
Right now, it's got the little protection things on it to keep it safe. You know what I mean? Safe. So I'm gonna take them off now anyway, cause it's gone in my thing. Straight. Straight. I'm gonna put that on the old one to keep that one protected, to be honest. Let's get you in. Let me get. Whoa. Relax, Sicily. Hold on. Where's the thing? Hold it your neck. Hold it your neck. Hold on, guys. I'm trying to get a little platform for you, you know what I'm saying? Right. And then it just snaps into place. Wait, why has that got like a whole extra piece? Hopefully I don't need to connect it to anything else. Backside, let me see if there's anything else in this box. Just one piece of paper and done. Routed. Oh, your mother. What do I need to connect to it though? Hardware installation. Blam. What is that? I'll be back, guys. Let me make a phone call real quick. Alright, so boom, guys. I think I found the right wire. Let me get this light in. I got the wire going to it. Yeah. So let's just see if we can get some power to that. And I need to get the HDMI out. Excuse me. Is that even HDMI? I don't know. I can't see. No, it's not. That one was. Ooh, busting up this. Stressing it on the wire, boy. Anyway, let's see if we can get a picture. Turn it on. And turn it on. Let's see what happens. Whoa. Okay, we have a picture. We have a picture. That means I feel like I've done everything I was supposed to correctly. Alright, so boom. We have a picture now. I can tell already that the quality of this image looks so much better. You know what I mean? It's so much better. I'm not gonna lie. From what it used to look like, it was a bit more pixelated and all that malarkey. What's going on though? I'm trying to get my sign in. What's going on? Yo. I need to pack that one away. Oh, finally. Finally. Shoot, overheating again. Damn, man. Ooh, yeah, it did make a difference to my screen. Ooh, okay. Okay. You guys ain't gonna be able to tell, obviously, but I can. I can definitely tell a difference. Ross Clark. Okay. Let me see what this look like. Okay. I need to really do a test when the game is running, so that's what I'm gonna do. Give me a sec. Alright guys, so boom. Right now, it does, I ain't gonna lie, it looks so much better. It moves better. Oh, I'm getting a message from Tools trying to get me to come online. Oh, it's gone. Trying to get me to come online Call of Duty. Let me send him a message real quick. One sec. But yeah, let me do what I'm doing, and yeah, let me finish this and then I'll play a bit of Call of Duty and show you that too. Alright, yeah, so guys, boom, as you can see, this look, oh, you didn't see it before, but this is moving, this is looking pretty good, if I must say. Raw. All this hella. Anyways, I'm gonna continue laters.